Mr. Chair, please acknowledge Board Member Sharif.
The Honorable Omar Sharif is recognized.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. As a newcomer of this chamber, I'm still trying to understand how can I be productive and beneficial to this batch. I have noticed that almost all of the agenda of today were referred to the respective committees. But I think I have to remind each and everyone that we have yet to fill the committees. All we know right now is the chairman of every committee. So I think it's high time for us to fill who are the members of every committee. Is there any vice chairman of every committee? Are there members, and how many members? Just like the last addendum talks about religious undertaking. So I think I'm not yet used to terminologies and processes of this Sanggunian. So I think I move for the creation of a new committee that will tackle on religious affairs. I've seen on social media that in other Sanggunian Panalawigan, in other provinces, they have the so-called Committee on Religious Affairs. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to propose and remind that for every committee, the membership should be done as soon as possible so that we can talk about the agenda, inshallah ta'ala. That's all, Mr. Chair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam. With regards with the committees, the last time we agreed, mag-submit kayo ng committee na gusto ninyong mag-member kayo or mag-co-chair kayo, mag-vice chair kayo, aside sa committees na meron kayo. So, to our Honorable Secretary, meron bang nakasubmit na ng mga members na gusto nilang salihan na committee?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As of date, hindi pa kompleto ang committee membership. We are in the process of completing the list of members to respective committees. We understand that Honorable Sharif would like to be a member to all standing committees, but as soon as the list is completed, we will present it to this august body. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you. So, reminder lang sa inyong lahat na mag-submit na kayo para pag may committee hearing tayo, may committee report, meron ng members, hindi yung chairman lang yung tatayo sa committee, which is kung meron man silang ini-sponsor na ordinance or